Busy mamas, get this quick and easy mommy makeup look in less than 3 minutes. If I can do this, so can you. No excuses. Ready, set, let's do this. So this is a mommy makeup must-have. This has your moisturizer, foundation, and SPF built into it. And watch, this is so crazy. This is going to mimic your exact skin pigment. So for the purpose of hurrying up, because we're running low on time, I'm going to show you. It's going to transition and mimic your exact skin tone and give you that full coverage look with the moisturizer, with the SPF built into it. So if you're running around with those kiddos, you're giving your face some color and also protection. So it has that SPF and I love it. It gives you this like glowy look. So this is my go-to must-have mommy makeup. So look at, and then don't forget to do those eyelids. And again, this has that moisturizer built into it, so no need to prep and prime your face. This is giving you everything all in one. So look how it went on white, and then it transitioned and literally matched and mimicked my exact skin pigment and gave me full coverage. Okay, so you don't have to put powder if you don't want to, because if you're in a pinch or just hurry, you don't have to. I'm just going to add just a little bit, but if you like that glowy look, then you can leave it as is. Next things next, I need to give my eyebrows just a little bit of color because I'm blonde and sometimes you cannot see my eyebrows. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill these babies in real quick. Give it just a little bit of color. You can use a pencil or you can use powder like I'm using. And then next things next, I'm going to take my eyeshadow, just do a quick neutral, kind of natural neutral look. And then just add just a little bit to give my eyelids some depth, to make it look like it has some color so I'm not so ghostly. And we're about 2 minutes in. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my eyeliner. I've been loving brown lately. I feel like brown is the new black for me because I like it. It's like that cinnamon color. Even though I know it's spring, I use this year round. So I love this. This brown, I just do a little bit right there. And then I go in with mascara. With mascara, just add a little bit of mascara to my lashes. And we're about 2 minutes 40 seconds, I think, somewhere around there. And just a little on the bottom. And then I go ahead and put on my favorite lip gloss, and I am out the door at 2 minutes 5 seconds. Grab my keys. Now I'm out the door. Gotta run. Bye.